Zarabashahandra Rabusun Tariana Manderebosa. Ekatariana Mahanderebashahanda Seterile Ketetenda Rabahandea. Meze Ketele Kakayanda Rabas, Seketele Kashahanda Leabas Santalia Labaco Santa. Rile Kedabos Sandelemande Arabas, Ekatalianda Shahalabandea.
Now into your February, I declare an opening up. There shall be an opening up. The voice of Jehovah shall go into every area of your life, into the innermost parts of your life, to open up areas that have locked up. That have locked up that light that God put in you right from time past, right from your inception, right from your creation, right from His thought towards you. There's a light within you, latent in your spirit, that has been closed for a long time. Jehovah is opening up every area of your life, into your emotions, into your spiritual life. Your spiritual awareness shall become stronger. Your emotional interaction shall become firm and stable. Psychological intelligence will be released upon your life. There shall be an opening up of His life in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Your February is blessed in Jesus' mighty name.
Les ondaria makandere basutariana masha hakatareuse.